Hello everyone, this is my review of the Wisps Cheese Crisps Variety Pack. They are made from 100% real cheese, Parmesan, Cheddar, and Asiago pepper jack. So you get a genuine cheese taste instead of just cheese flavored. What I liked most was the nutrition profile. They're baked into crunchy crisps, high in protein, low in carbs, sugar-free, gluten-free, and lactose-free. For my snack goals, it checked a lot of boxes. The texture also hits. They have that satisfying crunch great for when you're craving something crunchy but want to avoid the typical chip or puff. They work as a snack on the go, in lunch boxes, or even sprinkled in salads. If I'm being honest, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. Because they're real cheese and rich in flavor, they might feel intense if you're used to lighter snacks. Additionally, the portion size is suitable, but if you're extremely hungry, consider having a backup snack ready. Overall, I'm pleased with this purchase. If you're looking for a flavorful, crunchy snack that counts toward your protein and is smart for low-carb or keto-style snacking, then this variety pack is definitely worth considering. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.